Temeda has been built to help companies that utilize remote, mobile, and fixed assets as an essential tool in the operation of their business. Temeda is tailored to enable company leaders to improve productivity and reduce costs through data-driven intelligence. Our app is designed to be simple to understand and easy to use. The map provides an overview of all your assets built on the familiar Google Maps. We integrate core functionality including navigation, satellite view, traffic overlays, and street views that will help you easily focus on the areas of interest. The Accordion is designed to help you easily find and identify a specific asset or group of assets. You can filter your assets in any way that makes sense for your business. You can search for an asset type or search for an individual asset. You can filter to only show assets you have assigned to a group. You can filter to only show assets that are assigned to a project or job. Or you can filter by all assets that are within a customized geographical area, such as a work site. The Global Update Tray, or GUT, provides at-a-glance status of your fleet. It provides real-time highlights of cost, productivity, safety, and operating conditions, such as machine alerts that you can identify as critical, making it simple and fast to filter and identify assets that need your attention. The Grid provides the power of spreadsheet software straight into the Temeda app. It allows you to identify, sort, and filter assets by a variety of parameters, making it easier to group assets and export their data into a spreadsheet or directly into your ERP system. We group equipment that is close together into different icons to reduce visual clutter and to provide at-a-glance operating status. As we zoom in on an asset's location, the icons separate to show greater location detail. The Asset Pop-up provides real-time data on specific assets, asset location, critical data elements, location history trail, and alerts. These are all available to help you zero in on operating issues and opportunities. Reports are at the core of productivity improvement and cost reduction. Asset Utilization by Hour is an example of a report designed to improve asset and worker utilization. This report shows a geographical display of asset usage. We can see that over the past week, the peak usage was just 15. Applying this knowledge allows leaders to infer that this job site has more assets than they need, equipping them with this knowledge to make informed decisions on right-sizing their fleet. Fleet right-sizing is key to controlling costs and improving productivity. Alerts are intended to provide real-time notification of conditions that you define as important to your business. Alerts can be configured to provide real-time in-app notification, email, and text messages. By identifying the conditions and then applying the alert to your assets, you can rest knowing that you will be made aware of anything you need to know, helping prevent small problems from becoming bigger and more costly. Maintenance is an important function where productivity improvement and cost reduction can be realized. Designed as a comprehensive, asset-type specific maintenance plan and tracking tool, companies can create maintenance plans, schedule maintenance for specific intervals, and then track actual maintenance performed, including the associated cost of consumables and labor, all based upon actual machine operating hours and/or mileage. The Temeda Maintenance module creates a comprehensive plan for the future and records for maintenance performance to prevent unplanned downtime, catastrophic asset failure, and support higher equipment resale value. Admin offers a single location for the system administrators to set up the way in which your company uses Temeda. From the Help tab, you will find ready support to get the most out of the Temeda app. We offer access to real people, not automated phone support, that are trained to help you solve any issues that you have. The Help Center offers you detailed how-to documentation covering virtually every capability of the system. We have webinars and video tutorials to walk you through the app step by step and click by click. We would be happy to provide a more in-depth overview of Temeda and its capabilities, including our APIs, data push services, and mobile app. Thank you for your time.